Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Supporters of Governor Hope Uzodinma, who has been declared winner of the just concluded Imo State governorship election, have described his victory as a welcome development. The governor's re-election, they say, is a testament of his development strides in Imo State.
That Uzodinma Odidika, Good Hope of APC, having certified the requirements of the law, is hereby declared the winner and is returned elected. Signed as the returning officer.
The Imo State returning officer in the just concluded November 11 governorship election and Vice Chancellor of the Federal University, Oye Ekiti, Professor Abayomi Fashina, officially declaring the incumbent governor and the candidate of the All Progressive Congress, APC, Hope Uzodinma, as the duly elected governor of the state, having polled a total of 540,308 votes ahead of the candidate of People's Democratic Party, PDP, Samuel Anyanwu, with 71,503 votes, and the candidate of Labour Party, Etan Achonu, with 64,308 votes. Some Imolite who spoke to Inside the Niger Delta after the declaration on Sunday in Owerri said they voted massively for the governor because of his giant stride and impactful leadership in the past 3.5 years, visible across the nook and cranny of the state. On his part, the governor and winner of the just concluded election, who lauded the election umpire and security agent for a seamless process, assured Imolite of justifying the mandate reposed in him.
All I want to assure you is that what you have done, you have provoked me into more actions. So I've seen it as a mark of trust. So this confidence reposed on me. I shall not betray.
Governor Uzodinma, who won overwhelmingly in all the 27 local government areas in the state, is set for a second term in office come January 14, 2024. Meanwhile, the governorship candidates of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, Samuel Anyanwu, and Labour Party, Etan Achonu, have jointly called on the Independent National Electoral Commission, Inec, to review the process of the November 11th election that the incumbent governor and candidate of APC was declared winner. The duo, who spoke to journalists in a press conference in Owerri, the Imo State capital, on Monday, accused security agents and some Inec officials of undermining the election.
I'm calling out the security agencies. You people are responsible for what happened. Yes. You protected this process. You aided and abetted. Without you aiding and abetting, nobody would do anything. They won't get away with it.
The Inec chairman, MAMODE, who promised that this is an obstacle election and that it's going to be free, fair, and credible. But this is a charade. As far as I'm concerned, this is no election.
This is coming as the incumbent and governor-elect Uzodinma is calling on all opponents in the just concluded off-cycle election in the state to join forces with him to move the state forward, noting that his victory is a win for all Imolites.
Inside the Niger Delta.